Embracing emotions. Feel, don't fight. Welcome to another session on embracing your emotions through mindfulness meditation. In this video, we are going to learn about a core technique that helps us not just manage our feelings but truly understand and accept them. This method is particularly useful for everyone, especially if you are dealing with strong or overwhelming emotions. Emotions can be powerful and sometimes overwhelming. It is natural to feel like we need to push them away or fight them. But in mindfulness meditation, we take a different approach. We learn to feel our emotions without judgment and understand that they are a normal part of being human. Learning to embrace our emotions rather than fighting them offers many benefits that extend beyond our immediate feelings. This approach allows us to process our emotions in a healthier way, contributing to our overall emotional and psychological well-being. Reduce stress. By not fighting your emotions, you reduce the stress and tension that comes from resistance. Greater emotional intelligence. When you develop the ability to truly understand and accept your own emotions, you become more self-aware. This self-awareness helps you understand the triggers behind these emotions and recognize their impact on our thoughts and behavior. As you learn about your own feelings, you naturally start to recognize and understand the emotions of others too. This skill, known as empathy, improves your ability to communicate and connect with people around you. Ultimately, this improved emotional intelligence leads to better relationships and a deeper understanding of both yourself and others. Improved mental health. Accepting your emotions can lead to healthier coping mechanisms and less emotional suppression. How to embrace your emotions. Embracing your emotions is a transformative process. Let's explore how you can practice this mindfully. 1. Find a quiet place. Start by finding a space where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths to ground yourself in the present moment. Take a moment to set an intention for this practice, such as meeting emotions with kindness and curiosity. 2. Welcome your emotions with openness. As you settle into the practice, notice any emotions that arise. Instead of labeling them as good or bad, simply acknowledge their presence with an open heart. You might say internally, I notice something here, or there is a feeling. This allows you to stay connected to your emotions without judging or resisting them. 3. Use your body as a guide. Turn your attention to where emotions show up physically in your body. For example, sadness might feel like heaviness in your chest, and anger might bring tension in your jaw or hands. Visualize these areas softening as you breathe. With each breath, imagine creating space around the sensation, allowing it to exist without resistance. 4. Bring compassion to the experience. If the emotion feels intense or overwhelming, offer yourself kindness and understanding. Silently say, it's okay to feel this way, or may I hold this feeling with care. Treat your emotions like a guest that needs patience and gentleness. 5. Feel, don't fight. Let yourself fully feel the emotion without trying to push it away. Imagine these feelings as waves in the ocean. They come and go. You are not your emotions. You are just experiencing them. You can also imagine your emotions as visitors knocking at your door. Open the door, greet them kindly, and let them stay as long as they need. Remind yourself that emotions are not permanent. They come and go like passing clouds. This perspective helps reduce the feeling of being stuck in an emotion. 6. Ground yourself before ending the practice. Before concluding your session, take a moment to ground yourself. Feel your feet firmly on the floor. Notice the rhythm of your breath and reconnect with your body. Reflect on the practice you have just completed, and if it feels right, take a moment to appreciate the stillness or clarity it may have brought. This helps you end the session with a sense of completeness and peace. 7. Journal your experience. After your meditation, take a few minutes to write down your experience. You might ask yourself, what emotions stood out? How did it feel to sit with them? What insights did I gain? Journaling helps you process your experience and track your emotional growth over time. Remember, embracing your emotions is a skill that takes time and patience. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes to sit with complex feelings without being overwhelmed by them. This approach not only strengthens your emotional resilience, but also deepens your self-awareness and compassion for others. Over time, you will notice a greater sense of ease and clarity in navigating life's ups and downs. Thank you for joining this session. Keep exploring these techniques and notice how they transform your ability to handle emotions. See you in the next video.